Good morning, everyone. Now we are starting chapter 6, that is self-development and assessment. Okay, chapter 5 में हमने देखा कि which type of etiquette we require for small talk, for telephone talk, and for foreign trip, right? Now this chapter is regarding self-development and assessment. So in this competitive world, it is very difficult to stand out of crowd. To become successful, we have to develop special skills and qualities. This can only be achieved if we have willingness to learn new things, set new goals, and work to attain those goals. किन चीजों की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट के लिए? सबसे पहली चीज तो हमारे अंदर ये विलिंगनेस होनी चाहिए कि हम नई चीजें सीखें, हमारे कुछ गोल्स होने चाहिए. All these things contribute to self or personal development. When you decide to begin your own journey of self-development, you have taken first giant step towards the better future. Self-development is a transformational, lifelong, continuous process. It is not a technique or tool, but rather a way of life. It involves accepting responsibility in your life and taking conscious actions to improve it. Importance क्या है self-development की, personal development की? It grooms you as an individual and promotes self-growth. It develops your strengths by improving on your weaknesses. It boosts your confidence by improving your skills. It improves your self-awareness by making you aware of who you really are, what are your true values and you would like to go in life. Now the first step आता है towards the self-development is change. We must accept or welcome changes in our lives in positive manner. Change is inevitable in every sphere of life. For self-development and growth, we must adapt ourselves to the changes. Then we must prepare and learn according to changing needs. हर जगह आपको चेंज मिलता है, हमें उससे सीखना चाहिए, हमें उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपने आप को सेट करना चाहिए. मतलब ओके, क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं ऑफ अडेप्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू चेंजेस? Change helps to grow. Change makes us flexible. Change reveals our strength. Change makes us more compensate. Change offers opportunities. Change creates an opportunities for development of best practices, leadership development, and team development. Next step आता है grow. Best way to become best version of ourselves is to grow continuously as a person. Whatever you are at present, come out of your comfort zone and start working hard towards your weakness or towards further enhancement of skills. The key to live a better life, your dream life, is your learning ability to grow. Success cannot be achieved overnight, but will come through daily improvement and small advancement over time. Steps to grow in life. Be committed to improve yourself in every area of life. Improve on your daily habits. Successful person achieves success because of their habits and attitude. As commonly said, we first make our habits and then habits make us. Time is crucial. Always be punctual and value your time. To grow in your life, always keep your promises that you make to yourself. Never give up halfway while attaining your goals. If you decide to do something, keep your words and do it. Success can only be enjoyed if you are healthy. So always take care of your body. Live healthy lifestyle. Learn to enrich your soul through practicing meditation, yoga, relaxing and giving time to self. To grow, we must not be stressed, full of negativity, pressure, sadness, etc. हमें if we want growth, if we want self growth, तो हमें इन चीजों से नेगेटिविटी से दूर रहना है, अननेसेसरी प्रेशर नहीं लेना है. Persist. Persistence is prerequisite to achieve success or goal. It is power to make effort continuously despite of obstacles or failures. As rightly said, try and try again until your success. जब तक सक्सेस नहीं मिल जाती, आप करते रहो, ट्राई करते रहो. Persistence मतलब उस चीज पे बने रहो. People who try continuously always succeed in life. Constant effort always brings success. Persistence is the only key to success. You may feel exhausted and want to give up, but if you persist, you will reach the end, which will be even more wonderful than what you had imagined. No dreams can come true in absence of persistence. Whenever you feel like giving up, remember that the other side of mountain is more beautiful. Prioritize. Our goals require that we do many tasks, but we cannot perform them simultaneously. Even in our day-to-day tasks, we struggle to manage them properly. तो हर चीज की एक प्रायोरिटी सेट करो. कौन सी चीज हमें पहले करनी है, कौन सी चीज हमें बाद में करनी है. 4 ways to prioritize your task. First, based on their importance. This is the best method to prioritize our work. Accomplish the most important work first. Do them whether you like them or not. Based on their logical sequence. Prioritization means doing the things in the best logical order. The tasks that contain subtasks need to arrange in a sequence. If we complete a task in wrong order, we don't get best results. Based on their ease, never prioritize your work according to the ease of performing them. Do not delay the things which are difficult. ये सोच के मत प्रायोरिटी बनाओ कि जो पहले इजी है उसको हम पहले करना है. उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस देखो, उसकी लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस देखो. बेस्ड ऑन देयर लाइकेबिलिटी. ऐसा नहीं कि हमको ये तो काम पसंद ही नहीं, इसको तो एंड में करेंगे. ओके, तो अपनी लाइकिंग के हिसाब से डोंट डिले द टास्क व्हिच यू डू नॉट लाइक. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा स्टेप टुवर्ड्स द सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट. रीड. Reading is the most important habit that one needs to develop in life. No matter what your age is, your designation is, reading always proves to be beneficial for self-development. You must develop habit of reading books, newspaper, magazines, tech articles, informative blogs, etc. क्या importance है इसकी? It enhances your knowledge. It can make aware of happening around the world. Self-development. It develop positive thinking. It keeps our mind active and enhances critical thinking and analytical skills. It reduces stress. अगर आप अच्छी बुक्स पढ़ते हो तो अपना आपका मूड फ्रेश रहता है ना. It improves communication skill. Active reading enhances your reading vocabulary. We learn the art of using words creatively and effectively. Then learn. Learning is lifelong process. It is unavoidable since our birth till death. It happens all the time. Example, we learn to speak. Schooling is learning. We learn from reading books, articles, newspaper, blogs, etc. We learn from our own experiences. Maybe it may be good or bad as well. Hence, a person who learns with a positive state of mind always grows. पर लर्निंग हमारी कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस है, इसको हम रोक नहीं सकते हैं. तो उसका अगर हम पॉजिटिव माइंड से सोचेंगे तो ये हमारी हेल्प करेगा. अगर हम नेगेटिविटी के साथ भरे पड़े हैं तो वो हेल्प नहीं करेगा, वो हमें नुकसान देगा. Change in your career, community, society, personal life can be dealt with continuous lifelong learning. Benefits क्या है लर्निंग के? It continuously makes you more knowledgeable than others. It prepares you for some sudden change in the industry or organization. Helps you keep updated with changing times. You can remain relevant forever if you keep on learning and adapting new things. It helps you in doing your work in a better way. It gives you an insight into various things and helps you think from a new perspective. Being a knowledgeable person of your field makes you the most sought after person. To learn, read books, read blogs and articles online, attend seminar, training, workshop, watch videos online, which give you information, knowledge about your work and network with people who have a zest to learn. Then listen. Listening is the one of the most crucial skills one can have. We all listen to get information, to understand, to learn, or for entertainment. A research states that we all remember only 25% to 50% of what we hear. However, we can improve this through developing active listening skills. Active listening means hearing one's message with full concentration with all senses. This also involves showing verbal and non-verbal signs of listening to speaker. Importance of listening. Effective listening provides necessary information required by an organization to meet the changing needs of customers and market trends. By becoming a better listener, our productivity gets improved and we can effectively influence, persuade, and negotiate with others. Active listening reveals that we are paying attention to speech, teaching, thoughts, and feeling of speaker. This is important to maintain productive relationship and establish healthy communication. Next, record. To know the progress of an individual or an organization, it is important to keep records. One must also keep record of personal achievements and steps taken towards personal development goals. Efficient record keeping will save your time and money in long run. Similarly, proper business record keeping helps you to manage your accounts, taxes, interest, clients, information, project details, and working cost effectively. It is also essential for taking major decisions, customer support, and financial growth. If you have kept your achievements, you will be able to show them to potential developer, employer. Record keeping in organized way, that is good CV, is essential for getting recruitment. It is prerequisite for self-appraisal. Recording your personal growth, achievements, and skills reminds you of what you have achieved and motivate you of what you do again. हर चीज का रिकॉर्ड रखना तो अच्छा ही रहता है, भले बिजनेस हो, भले स्टूडेंट, एज ए स्टूडेंट भी अगर आप अपने सारे जो है अचीवमेंट्स को आप मतलब रिकॉर्ड रख रहे हो तो वो आपको फ्यूचर में हेल्प ही करेगा. Remember, recollect, recall, remind mean to bring an image or idea from past into mind. This process requires the learner to learn, read a concept, retain it over a period of time, and then recollect the concept when it is needed. Being able to remember is a skill that can be improved by practice. Certain things which can help to maintain a good memory are, good memory आपको याद मतलब याददाश्त कैसे तेज रख सकते हो भाई? तो फर्स्ट, ईटिंग अ हेल्दी एंड बैलेंस्ड डाइट, टेकिंग अ नॉर्मल स्लीप फॉर अबाउट 7 to 9 hours daily, exercising regularly, avoiding prolonged stress, using memories to trigger memory. Example, Vibgyor is used to remember the colors of rainbow. Regular practice, that is focusing ourselves to retrieve the information, helps us to remember. Then assess. Assessment is a way of checking whether the goals are met or not. If it is a strong tool or of motivation as it conforms with our self-respect. Self-assessment sometimes turn out to be a self-esteem destroyer if your self-concept is completely different from the results of your self-assessment. But if taken positively, it can be used as a strong tool of self-development. Think. Think to understand. Think and act. Thoughts without actions are useless. Think about what you learn new and try to implement a knowledge without giving it a proper thought, and action is merely a storage of data. Think to develop new ideas. Everything in this world has happened twice, first in the mind and then in reality. Keep your thoughts constantly focused on the goal rather than thinking in opposite direction. This is the key to reach the goal. Communicate. Effective communication is your ability to articulate information and ideas to other people as well to ourselves. Nothing can be achieved without communication. This helps an individual to express themselves in the most convincing way. क्या benefits हैं communication के? It lead to personality development, strengthen the bond among individuals, spread knowledge and information among people, helps to become educated and learn, help to coordinate among different departments within an organization like planning, production, sale, advertising, finance, etc. Okay. So these are the steps that is required for the self-development. अब जितनी भी चीजें हैं उनको relate करो. Relate what you read, learn, experience or observe. Relate your goals with your goals of your environment to coexist with it. Relate different ideas to be able to understand the full aspect of anything rather looking from only your perspective. Then the last one is dream. जब तक dream नहीं देखोगे तब तक आपका goal कैसे set करोगे? A dream, a vision, a goal, a desire are things we all need when we are working towards success. It gives meaning to your life. Follow your dreams. It develops courage and motivates you towards your goal. Dream for bigger goals are very important. If you dream big, then only you will work to achieve it. A dream written down with the mission becomes our goal. A goal broken down in steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by proper actions make your dreams come true. Okay. आपने ड्रीम को लिख दिया तो आपका एक मिशन बन गया. ओके, कोई गोल बन गया. गोल को स्टेप में डिवाइड कर दिया तो आपकी प्लानिंग शुरू हो गई. ठीक है, प्लान तो आपने एक एक्शन काम करना शुरू कर दिया, तब आपका ड्रीम क्या होगा? इट बिकम ट्रू. ओके, सो थैंक यू एवरीवन.